This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce noodles. First, let's gather everything we need for this delicious dish. You'll want your favorite noodles, perhaps some instant ramen or a thicker udon. Next, pick a hot sauce that truly excites your taste buds. Don't forget essentials like minced garlic, a splash of soy sauce, and a bit of cooking oil to bring it all together. Now, let's get cooking. Start by boiling your noodles until they're perfectly al dente, following the package instructions. While those are simmering, take 2 cloves of garlic and mince them finely. In a separate bowl, whisk together your chosen hot sauce, a generous splash of soy sauce, and about 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. With your noodles drained and ready, it's time to bring everything together. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat, then add your minced garlic and sauté until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Add the drained noodles to the pan, pour in your prepared hot sauce mixture, and toss everything until the noodles are evenly coated. Serve hot and enjoy. Want to make it even better? Feel free to customize your hot sauce noodles. You can easily add some fresh vegetables like sliced bell peppers or bok choy for extra crunch and nutrients. For a richer meal, top it with a perfectly fried egg or sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds for an aromatic finish. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.